Yesterday, I got these two flower plants from school. So today, I'm gonna plant these two little plants into a big pot. So first, I will need a soil for this plant. Then I will remove this sticker from this tray. And from this pot too. And I will put some rock too. First, I will unpack this one and put a layer of a rock.
Will you put a single layer?
Yes, I will put a single layer of this rock.
Put some at the middle. Okay.
And the
enough.
layer is done. And next I will put this soil, this plant.
You can put that together. Don't use that cup. You need more soil, right?
Yes.
Do you have soil?
Yes, I
Oh.
have more soil.
Okay. Bring it. Bring a new packet. Do you have another packet of soil?
Yes,
Okay, bring it.
it's in the room.
Inside the room?
Yes,
Okay.
so I bring a bag of soil from the room. So I will cut this. I need a scissors and I will cut it.
Don't cut full.
Okay. Done. And I will put some of this soil on this planter pot.
It will take a lot of time. Can you put that packet? Can you hold that packet on that pot?
It fell down.
That's okay. Put more.
I will need a little bit more.
Okay.
And done.
Keep it aside.
I will put the packet on side. put on this tray. I will make a hole
At the middle, at the center.
I will make hole in the center. And I will take this out.
Two of them together.
I will put these two together. And
Because we don't have more pots. We have only one pot. Try to put them at the middle. It doesn't look like it's at the middle.
it's okay. And I will put this.
Together. Don't put any gap in between. At first you decide where is the middle.
Here. And done. This is my new flower plant. How
Put more water. Let it be. Let it be.
and done.
Okay, great job. Bye.
Bye. Like, share, and comment. See you again.